Hey Gladness gang. Hey guys, if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope you do enjoy being part of the family. My name is Gladness, and if you are a returning subscriber, hey chummy, thank you for your consistency and your continuous support. I really do appreciate it. Road to 150 subbies. Period, guys. Siyangena very soon. See inside. So yeah, I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for your love. Period. Here's the thing now. Welcome to a new video. Welcome to a new vlog. Hopefully you do enjoy it throughout. Period. So yeah, today it's Tuesday, and I choose myself, like, why not? So yeah guys, ngizenza Shein try on haul, but the problem is that I won't be speaking in between. I'm so sorry about that. I am really sorry, but I feel like it's too much work, man. Today. Actually, it's not even about being tired. Like, I'm just lazy to speak, literally. So yeah, I hope you guys can see them. Just for vibes, just to look cute, because it's been a minute. Crusty. So yeah, it be like potato Friday cute jang. But it's about potato is something raw. We recommend it veggie marketing. Yo guys, but yeah, as a collab, we're really not there. So yeah, guys, here's the impact of Shein. Like, they've been here, ne? It's been a week now. Like, being zama nje ukushuta but try on Shein haul what. Yeah, like being zam, but I'm a video now, guys. Bring up me the way I wanted them to. So I felt like today will be the day ngoba ngivuke ngizizwa amandla and kana hana ka re ke tla be ke di apara diaparo tsene ke soka ke le bontsha hore wagwan, like dintshang wabo. So yeah, that's it. And also, before ki insert a clip ya Shein, guys, kune clip engizoyifaka. It was supposed to be part of the previous vlog. Yeah, it was supposed to be. So nekibona ekare like vlog it will be too long, and in a match like vibe ya the previous vlog. So I was just like, yazin ngizabona ukuthi ngipatch happy. So I think vlog enana itlaba the right video for clip A. So yeah, I hope I do make sense. But yeah, that's it for today. And then what else? There's nothing much, honestly. There's really nothing much. And if we see Nzoyenza, guys, what is this? Since I won't be speaking in between, Nzo place like I'm a screenshot, yeah, of each item somewhere on the screen. Yang Zoibega somewhere on the screen with their sizes. But maufuna a link to that item Zoibega down below the description box, just in case you need it. So yeah, guys, this is so cute, literally. So yeah, that's it for today. Bye guys. It's on 150. You're asking at 150 subscribers, 200 somewhere there in between. Kitozamane who post like every Sunday, every week. You drop a vlog. Ngivela kunyiwe kube busy lapha ya YouTube kube matasa. Yabona isiphithi leso upabi khuphatha kasifoni. Mina ngizosibanga lapha YouTube, ngizosibanga. So yeah, love you loads, guys.
Got tired of your shit, you almost threw my mind. Long steady all day, talking from you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the boat rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I have options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your face. at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it.
Okay, guys. Asambe, it's in my buzz. So yeah, order yaka ifitlile. Ke tlo le bontsha yego ke rekile maize meal. Very important, guys. I thought the ordinary 2 kg, 5 kg. Ke tlo etsang. No, ke tlo etsang. We have what's in Sasko bread, Sam. Ke rekile quick cook because I can't stand to immerse for more than 4 hours. It can never be me. So yeah, I wanna cook some today. I don't know if it's a baking cook with me type of video or something. I don't know. I'll see. I don't know. I'll see. And then we have rice. Pencil liners, guys. I want this brand. If like umanyana I can pencil liner every day, like I suggest we use a brand in. I love it so much because it sticks so long compared to other brands. Like idulana kotelele, you love it. And then we have frozen chicken livers, my favorite. Guys, delivery mnati. Like umuntu othi akadla ama liver unenkinga. Seriously unenkinga. And then we have tomatoes for our gravy, our salads, whatever. And then this one is so heavy. And then we have what's here? Chicken Viennas. I thought the smoked, but I'm glad I didn't because smoked Viennas. Not gonna lie, no offense, Mara. And then I got slices of cheese. Say cheese. Bakadi. And then I have potatoes. Guys, the potato is essential. The very important. Very important, the very important. So yeah. And then I bought 2 bar soaps. They were on sale, I think, for 2 35 rand. Yeah, for 2 35 rand. And usually when you buy one, it's like 23, 24. Yeah. Magabatana by 2 sits a 5 rand. That's a scammer, guys. And then I bought 2 1.5 liter. They were also on sale. How do you need 2 liters on in 35 or 34 rand? So yeah, I got, they were like 14 items and a didn't of guy 508. Cheap ne? Very affordable ne? Very affordable. So I would suggest order Pick and Pay online. Guys, bonnet a kitwe apa today the whole day. I'm so obsessed. And I'm going to keep. Hey y'all! It's Friday today and we're going to have some sushi. Guys, is sushi. Like, I have been speaking about sushi for the past 2 weeks, I think. So yeah, the day has finally come. Why not? So yeah, let's get going. I look so pretty, like I look so gorgeous. See you guys. I saw some inside the chopsticks and stuff. Period. Love you all loads. I'm Semple, I'm so baby. Milo. No mumbega, we are bona. Milo. Tanana, dinina, nine, don't know.
High volume.
I testify for you. I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I thought I like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around. You scared of you. I'm not. Long as you joking that way for me, I ain't got it. My bitch skinny, do it. I ain't your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Too good. J'avoue à ça. What did you drink, babe? Can you please have 2 pina coladas, 6 pieces of makis with ebo, and that's in Penton. What yeah, Pento. Yes, please.
So 2 pina coladas, half a maki, 6 pieces, panko futomaki.
Yes, please.
I can just lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Ain't nobody do body like you do. Yeah. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. That wave it with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to mine.
Hey y'all! C'est que fitile hey moi n'est qu'à terre. I get to the top. Kilo jam sushi. We're having our first drink, which is pina colada. They take anonymous girl have a kusaya when and I get from face. I don't care. I'll just all subscribe and like get comment. And why she's eating sushi for the first time today. Imagine. Yes, girl. Hopefully do I enjoy I say. Because Hoja into sushi for the first time. Yo. Na first time ni kala weje yo nigga ngasa. Yo, better cook. Let's see how it goes. Good.
Sexy man, you on the ballin' on your day one.
Thank you.
It was magic, Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. But the grow when you're not here. I'm saying
hi. Faut pas leur cheveux, le tutoriel. Yo, c'est tout bon. Ako pa tutorial saya, usah bisa cek.
Actually, everyone in his own way. Oh, better way.
How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't when I'm with you. How can I'm certified for you. I do that 3-4 times a can I testify.
Hello, sir. Ako pa ba tani?
Yes.
Into email ay jang kamu ki implanta in.
We get it up na tayo.
We can interplata. Oh, you can.
I feel I sort of like you, that bitch. I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking that way for me, I ain't got it. My bitch skinny, do it. I joke bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem.
Hey y'all, guys, it's Yahambe Ocean Basket. Ne? Siya telephone, like we were trying to order something, ne? Mara menu thing I give ki sushi all the time. So we decided to like religion to pizza. So yeah, let's rock. Let's get into it.
I don't got nobody just with you right now. Tell the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You were just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. I can't just snooze and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do. Yeah. In the drop top ride with you, I feel like Scarface. And wave it with the bob, I'll be your main one. Just take this argument back up to mine.
Well, into where is that with the medium platter A42? Fried halloumi, cheese, sticky wings, and flame grilled warawara. Okay. Ne. No, I'm making a tequila sunrise. Yeah, tequila sunrise. Actually, enough wasn't into margarita. Actually, give me one margarita. I'm gonna open my legs.
My place, sexy man, you on the ballin' on your day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. But the grow when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just do it, boy. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I could blame it on your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me.
Family ke edit ko no dropa Sunday. Nka ko dropa ni Sunday ka Sunday ka 6. Either every Sunday ka po, every second Sunday. No, ka Sunday. Here's a bag for the camera. Period.
Baby, it's the everything
Jala, bam, jala, bam, jala, bam. Actually, not muna guys. It's so chilled. So chilled. Aesthetic, 9 out of 10. The food, 8 out of 10. Why 9? Because I feel like Inyani. 1% go Inyani. And then Dijon, 8 out of 10. I feel like I do too salt. Yeah. Too salt. That's why I feel like
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old
Hey, sharp guys, stop pinning at that.
bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not for what I want.
it's some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna go try and get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going well.
get some me time.
I don't know if you're doing what you want. Might have been a few hours, but it's felt like days.